In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rewind in Claude Code CLI. This quick walkthrough will show you how to jump back to an earlier point in your Claude Code conversation so you can undo a direction that didn't work out, restore a stable context, or simply review an earlier state. Rewinding is especially helpful when a session is drifted or when you want to compare different solution paths without starting over. To begin, open your terminal. Any standard terminal will do. Make sure you're in a comfortable workspace where you can see the prompt clearly, since everything we'll do happens right here. Next, type Claude and press Enter. This launches the Claude Code command line interface and drops you into an interactive session. You should see the CLI initialize and get ready for input. If you've been working in this session already, Claude will have some recent context available. If it's a fresh launch, you'll still be able to use Rewind as soon as you've created some history. Now, type /rewind and press Enter. This command asks Claude Code to look at the current session's conversation history and surface a set of checkpoints you can return to. If you haven't done anything yet in this session, you may see a message indicating there's nothing to rewind. That's normal. Rewind only appears once there's at least a bit of prior interaction to step back through. If you do have previous conversation history, the CLI will present several rewind points, often 4 or 5. These are snapshots of your recent progress, typically anchored to meaningful turns in the conversation. Each point gives you a clear marker so you can identify where you want to go back to. Choose the specific point that best represents the moment before things went off track or the state you want to revisit. Once you confirm that choice, the session state rewinds to that exact moment. Anything that happened after that point in this session is effectively set aside, which helps you recover a clean slate without losing the earlier groundwork. A few quick tips as you use this. Rewind is a safe way to experiment. Explore an approach, then roll back and try a different angle. It's also great for fixing accidental instructions that shifted the model's behavior. And if you're mid-debug and introduced a confusing change, rewinding to a stable checkpoint can save time. That's all there is to it. Open your terminal, launch Claude with the Claude command, and use rewind to jump back to a useful checkpoint. Thanks for watching and happy building.